How to change Apple ID password if forgotten. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is simply head over to your App Store. Once you are in the home page, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now simply tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. Wait for a while for it to load. It will ask you to enter the password of your Apple account. But if you have already forgotten and you want to recover it, then tap on Forgot Password. So right here it says the passcode that unlocks this iPhone also help you regain access to your Apple account. So simply enter the passcode of your device. It will redirect you to this page where you'll be able to change the password. At the very first, create a new password and then re-enter the password. Once you have created, tap on Continue at the bottom. After that, the password will be recovered successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change Apple ID password if forgotten. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.